In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at the tertiary conditional operator in Python. And over here, you can see we have a variable called x, which is a Boolean variable, and its value currently is set to true. Then we have this statement y, where we say print when true, and then we say if x, else print when false. So when I run this, you'll notice it's printing print when true. This is the tertiary operator in Python. And whenever you are making use of a tertiary operator, else block will be mandatory. So even when you don't have anything to execute for else block, you can make use of none, like this. And let's print it over here. See, so this condition gets printed if the variable is true, otherwise the else block is executed, and else block is always mandatory whenever making use of tertiary conditional operator in Python.